Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about why cryptocurrency is becoming the next big thing. Yeah, why it is so big. We had a very interesting day today in finance. Everything that happened in finance today is all good for DeFi. I have to say that. Everything that happened with the whole Wall Street bets, GameStop, Gamestop, AMC, all that stuff, good for crypto, because people in traditional finance, a lot of money in traditional finance, are realizing why we love Bitcoin and why we love decentralized finance so much. Because if you don't really know the story, let me break it down for you a little bit and make it real quick and real easy so you can understand. There was a company, Melvin Capital, shorting GameStop. They were shorting more than the stock flow they were shorting more than the stock was available to the flow or whatever. So they were winning. People noticed, did a gamma squeeze. What happens is when you do a gamma squeeze, they have to pay for all those shares that they, kind of leveraged. They have to pay all that money back. So they ended up losing a ton of money once the short started going bad. And what happened was somebody said, yo. People think it's Citadel because Citadel's invested in Melvin and Robinhood. Called them up and said, look, we can't have these people making all of our money go down. We want our $1 billion short to make us more billions. We can't lose billions of dollars to the people. And that's exactly what happened. They lost at least $3 billion to the people who made these longs on GameStop. This is crazy because what happened was Wall Street Bets got shut down on Reddit, Webull, all the places that you can buy stocks very easily, all the apps delisted these coins. This is supposed to be illegal, but it actually happened, and it could even happen in centralized crypto exchanges. And this is why you have to be excited about Bitcoin. You have all these traditional finance players finally coming out and saying, hey, you know what? This isn't fair. We don't like this. We don't like the fact that when somebody who's a billionaire starts losing, he can make a few phone calls from his buddies, and now everybody else can't sell anymore. So that's huge. The news is trying to make it look like they're going to protect the little guy and all this stuff. Listen, if you're the little guy, you lost money just from them shorting. Like if you own the GameStop, sometimes you have a stock that's part of your 401k portfolio that's getting shorted and you don't even know it. So you're putting money in your 401k every single paycheck, and that money's going right to the hedge fund. We won't even get into all that, but all this is good for crypto. So right now it's getting crazy, and I'm excited to see what's going to happen. It's very interesting. We have a fight right now. We have a fight. The government is going to fight back. The government's going to fight back. But, there's some people in the government, in the U.S. government, who are saying, hey, look, Robinhood delisting these stocks when people were making money is kind of illegal, and we should look into it and do an investigation on why they all of a sudden decided to do this. I think it's because they probably didn't have all the stocks that they were selling people, and they had to go ahead and stop it before it got any worse. You know what I mean? They probably had some type of fractional reserve system. That's just speculation, but that's what I think. And Citadel is connected to Robinhood. What's next? Okay, we have right now the price of Dogecoin. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on. This is crazy. When I checked the price of Dogecoin this morning, it was below a penny. It was below a penny, guys. It was below. Look at this now. 7 cents. Now, the goal of these people is to push Dogecoin for $1, and I'm not really sure if they understand how tokenomics work yet. But I'm seeing that they're learning a lot more about crypto, and they're starting to understand, like, hey, this is why you guys are so gung-ho on Bitcoin and DeFi, because they can't do stuff like this to us. When, we found a hedge fund that was over-leveraged in a short, we ended up winning, and they ended up having some helpers. So now everybody's looking at things like Dogecoin because it's big as far as social media goes. It's a meme coin. It gets a lot of traction very easily. So this thing pumped today, and I was just like, wow, this thing's crazy. They want to push it to $1, but I don't think they're going to do so. Now, the Wall Street Bets guys actually tweeted out today, hey, has Ethereum ever reached $5,000, and I was like, well, here we go. Has Ethereum, and then he also tweeted, has Chainlink ever been to $1,000? And I told him, you know what, no. I said, you know what, no, Bitcoin has never been to 100K. Do that one. But look at this guy is the Wall Street Bets chairman, I guess. This one is the crypto one, but this whole thing is just crazy to me. Right now, I feel like the market is about to go crazy, and it has been. So up overall today in the total market cap, we're up about 9%. But look at the total too. I'm excited about this because this is the chart from last time. I haven't updated it yet, but it looks like we're in an uptrend, and I'm hoping we continue this uptrend and maybe hit this resistance line right here. Once we hit this green line, it is a blue sky breakout for the entirety of the altcoins. And I believe that this is going to happen because the market is just so much more mature now when it comes to the coins. There's still some bull crap out there, don't get me wrong, but as far as like the things that are being built, protocols being in place already, systems being usable and ready to use and not just being built like they have been for the last couple of years, I think it is the perfect storm for what's going on right now. It's just crazy to see that everything that was predicted to make Bitcoin the next big thing and to make crypto the future is actually happening right before our eyes. We see little guys taking out hedge funds, fighting back with all their firepower, and those people realizing, hey, we need crypto. Hope that excites you. I might just buy some Doge in case it goes to $1. You know what I mean? I might buy a little bit, tiny bit, FOMO, just to participate in the revolution. So just my thoughts on this whole thing real quick. I know I ran through. I could talk about this all day. I've been talking about it all day. It's just crazy to see. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let me know in the comments what you guys think about this whole thing. Is this a good for crypto? Is this big for the industry? Is this big for finance? And how do you think the government's gonna fight back? Till next time, peace.